In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to create a lift or elevator in Unreal Engine 5. So first, let's go to the content browser. Let's create a new blueprint actor. We'll call this BP_lift. Then we'll open this up. Now I'm just going to copy and paste this cylinder in the level into my blueprint. Then we're going to add a collision. So we'll go with that sphere collision here. Then we'll make this a bit bigger. So it's similar size to the cylinder, like so. Then we're going to go down on the collision and click on components begin overlap. Then on overlap, we're going to get a timeline. We'll leave that the same name for now. Then we're going to get our static mesh. And we're going to get the relative location here. Relative location. And then we will add. And we'll split this structure pin. And then off the back of this, we will set relative location of our static mesh. And then we'll connect that up. Now we're going to go into the timeline, add a new float track, and we'll add 2 points here. Let's set this one to 0, 0, and we'll set this one to 5, 5. Now what you can do is you can play around with this. So we're going to have it slowly build up and then slowly end. But you could have a straight line if you'd like that. So we'll grab our float track and we'll plug this in the Z pin here. Now if we hit compile and save, and we drag our blueprint into the level, like so. And we'll go back to our blueprint, go to static mesh, and we'll type in mobility, and we'll check this to movable. This is a newer feature with Unreal Engine 5.6. Previous versions, you haven't had to change that. So we'll hit compile and save. And we'll go into our level and simply walk onto the platform. And there you can see our lift is moving up. And that is it, guys. And that is how you create a lift/elevator in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.